Okay, this is a Sigma lens. Let me see. So Sigma Zoom K2 70-210mm lens. The widest aperture you can do is 4.5. So with this lens, I'm gonna show you the aesthetics first. So the zoom is pretty smooth, focus also very smooth. It allows you to shoot at macro distances, so which is less than 1 meter, and allows you to zoom all the way in. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. The glass back. Okay. Gonna put it on so you can see the blades. Is this I think this is not FD. I think it's Pentax. Let me see. Should be Pentax. Oh yeah, it's Pentax. Interesting. So it's a Pentax mounted lens. This is the aperture blades. So yeah, I can see the blades. I think I should show you a manual focus. Okay, there's the blades over there. Alright. And there's the blades over here. Okay. Alright. Gonna do the shine test now. Okay. Shine this. Okay. Let me focus it. It looks like a tunnel. Interesting. Okay. So let's see the other side. Seems okay. Show you the Yongnuo. This is a new lens, so it's a concern subject. Just a way to compare lah, like see what a new lens looks like once you got something shine through it. And yeah. Okay. Thanks everyone.